Firstly, do not wear watches, jewelry or loosely fitting clothes which might constitute a safety hazard. Next, wear a suitable personal protective equipment such as safety glasses and a protective footwear that should always be worn. Respect the work area so that we would not collide to our colleagues. If there is an emergency, just use the emergency stop button on the control panel.
Prior startup. First, we need to clean the work surface so that the surface will be flat as the workpiece. Secondly, keep the distance between the tool holder and workpiece to a minimum. Next, adjust the head of the machine and lock it to a suitable position. Then, make sure the vice jaw is secured tightly to make sure it will not move before start the process.
Make sure you use the correct speed for their application. Next, make sure to switch off the machine when do not use. Other than that, the tension rod will hold the tool on their position. Tighten the tension rod once the tool has been fitted to their position.
Clamp the workpiece properly to avoid misalignment during milling operation. Keep the distance between the tool holder and workpiece to minimum for less error during milling. Properly adjust the guard to protect ourselves from being exposed to injuries.
Okay, motorized feed gives us uniform cutting. Before we operate the machine, we have calculated the cutting speed of the cutter. Face milling cutter are inserted into the slots in the cutter holder. When the cutter is worn or broken, it can easily be replaced. Okay, the another operation is notch milling.